The HOROX 80mm Refractor Telescope Kit offers an expansive field of view and clear observation with its 80mm aperture and 500mm focal length. Equipped with multi-coated optical lenses, this telescope enhances light transmission and reduces chromatic aberration, providing sharp and detailed celestial views. With two high-quality Kenller eyepieces, the telescope allows for an adjustable magnification range from 25 times to 55 times, making lunar observation captivating. Installation is user-friendly, taking only 15 minutes, and the entire kit is conveniently portable with the included backpack, perfect for on-the-go stargazing. This telescope makes an excellent gift for people of all ages, appealing to both beginners and seasoned astronomy enthusiasts due to its versatility and ease of use. Backed by over 20 years of industry expertise, HOROX offers a lifetime warranty and exceptional customer service, ensuring a reliable and supported astronomical journey.